Welcome to this SoundBranch tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the admin settings for managing your SoundBranch site. Understanding these settings will help you customize your site to meet your needs. First, signing up is simple. Head over to soundbrand.ch, click the Create Free Site button. Add your company or organization name, username, email, and password. Review the SoundBranch terms and conditions and privacy policy, and create your own site with a unique name and subdomain URL. This URL is your personalized space. It's where you'll log in and manage your voice notes. Remember to save your URL. You'll also use it to invite others to join your conversations. It's your gateway to creating a vibrant community of voices. At the top left, you'll see the SoundBranch logo. Moving down the left-hand navigation bar, you'll find icons for timeline, inbox, groups, chat, and playlists. In the center, there's a search bar for finding specific clips, users, or topics. On the horizontal navigation bar, you have options for home, network, analytics, podcast notifications, and your profile settings. On the timeline, you can record voice notes directly, which are automatically transcribed into text. You can also see posts from users, listen to clips, and engage by liking or replying. The Play All button plays all timeline voice notes in chronological order. Categories let you tag voice notes for easy organization and navigation. Let's begin by navigating to the admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing site settings, user access, and branding. To access your admin settings, follow these simple steps. Click on Me in the top right corner of the navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Company Admin. Once you've clicked, the various admin settings options will appear. Clicking on Users lets you invite others to the platform and manage their permissions. Clicking Members Invite lets you invite users via email, or if they have already joined SoundBranch, search for them and click the add icon to include them. Users will receive an email notification to access your SoundBranch site. You can edit existing users' permissions by clicking the edit icon next to their name. Adjust their permission level to regular or admin and update their status to pending, accepted, rejected, or deleted. You can also view the date they joined your site. Click Save to apply the changes. To customize your branding, go to the Theme section. Under Logo, click Choose File, select your file, pick a theme color, and then click Save to apply your changes. You can see a logo has now been added. To manage categories, click on Manage Categories. Here you can tag voice notes under specific categories and subcategories. Click Add Category to create a new category, or click the X button to delete one. Voice notes can be added to categories by clicking the three dots on a voice note, selecting Edit, choosing a category from the drop-down menu, and then clicking Save. While unlikely, if unsuitable content appears on your SoundBranch, users can flag it. Flagged voice notes will be listed in the Reported Clips section for review. Admins can then remove the clip or cancel the report. Finally, let's take a look at the Settings section. Under Settings, you can manage the visibility of your SoundBranch site, choosing whether it's visible to non-logged-in users. Enable self-register to allow users to sign up for your SoundBranch site via your unique SoundBranch URL, for example, your communityname.soundbranch.com. Adjust the recording time for voice notes, which can range from 10 seconds to 2 minutes. The default is set to 10 seconds. You can increase this if you want users to have more time to record, or keep it shorter for concise and to-the-point voice notes. Enable sentiment analysis to display sentiments on voice notes. Activate clip transcription by Google for text transcriptions. Turn on Who Played the Audio to show listeners. Set an SEO description to make your SoundBranch site search engine friendly. Click Save to save your settings. And that wraps up our SoundBranch site admin tutorial. Thank you for watching. Remember to download the SoundBranch app from the Apple App Store and Google Play. This gives you the ability to create playlists, record, and produce podcast episodes on the go. SoundBranch offers a seamless way to record, organize, and publish audio content, making it ideal for efficient podcasting and collaboration. Visit the Sound Branch websites to learn more.